There's a lot more you can actually do with your air plants, and trust me, it's incredibly simple. Today's video is a DIY on making these living art frames. So let's get started. Hi, my name is Ravi and I am a plant enthusiast from India. I have been growing a variety of air plants for over a decade now. These have been such great conversation starters, so I keep exploring ways to display them in different styles. Most people don't even realize air plants aren't meant for pots. So let's mount them on wood frames and create a stunning living wall art. We will need some frames. I've got some made from a local store. I choose pine wood because it gives a bright color and also creates a very good contrast to the deep green shades of air plants. Next, we will need some wire mesh. I'm using a steel wire mesh instead of iron wire mesh. Iron tends to rust over time due to regular misting of the plants. You can also use plastic coated iron mesh which doesn't rust easily. A hot melt glue gun, a mesh cutter, some thread, a pair of scissors, a marker pen. Also an optional accessory are these self-adhesive wall hooks that come in handy in case you don't want permanent nails on your walls. I have given the links to all these in the description. So I got these frames made in different sizes according to the plant sizes I have. Here are the sizes for your reference. These are the inner dimensions of the frame. We will start with marking on the mesh as per the frame size. So a simple way to figure out what's the length of the net is by placing it under and matching the edges. Now, when the two edges are matched, we can now clearly mark where we need to cut the net. We will use this wire cutter. We will now flatten it just to make sure it's touching all the edges. We see it fits perfectly. Now all we have to do is glue the edges with our hot melt glue and this is ready to go. We will now fix it using a hot melt glue. Just a little on the edges is enough. This is a bigger frame which I have prepared. So this is 35 inches by 7 inches. We are going to glue this also together. This I have mainly made to mount all my bromeliads. So let's glue it together. So now our frames are ready. We will now pick the right size plants for these. I think this bulbosal will look perfect on this smaller frame. Let's fix this on this 8 inches frame. Yes, I think it makes a great match. Let's now mount these on the walls. So I'll be using these self-adhesive hooks. The best part is you don't need to nail on the walls. Without putting nails, you can simply fix them. These have this self-adhesive glue. So let's put them on our wall. And just like that, you have turned simple air plants into living art. No soil, no mess, just beauty. If you love this idea, hit the like and subscribe button. Should I make a bigger wall next? Comment in the section, bigger wall or mini. See you again with an exciting new DIY. Till then, goodbye, happy gardening.